Look! The clock says it is exactly 5 o'clock. Wow, it is finally time to make my favorite yummy pizza. First, let's grab my colorful apron from the wall hook. We must protect my clean clothes and keep everything tight. This is so hard, reaching all the way behind my back. Pull it tight, almost got it, and there we go, a perfect knot. Ta-da! Look at me now. I am wearing my beautiful, colorful apron, and now I look like a real master chef.
Okay, let's see what is next on the page. We need to add the white flour first, and then pour the water slowly, carefully measuring out everything step by step. Follow the instructions exactly, just like our favorite cookbook says, pouring the white flour right into the big stainless steel bowl. And now, let's start to mix it all together.
Oh wow, it is getting so sticky and gooey. Pushing and pulling, I need to keep stirring with this big wooden spoon.
We have to be very strong for this part. Stay determined. Push down with all your weight, and then fold it over again.
Grab the rolling pin and press down hard. Roll it forward, roll it backward, make it flat, smooth, and perfectly round.
Use your fingers to pinch the outer edge, carefully shaping the dough crust so it holds all our toppings. Grate, the big yellow block. Rub it up and down against the metal grater. Look at all this mountain of yummy cheese. Time to turn on the oven. Twist the black dial from off all the way to 200 degrees. Let's make it nice and hot. Putting on my big, colorful oven mitts to stay safe. Carefully sliding the pizza tray onto the warm oven rack. Easy does it, gently pushing the heavy glass oven door until it click-clacks shut. Excellent, and now the waiting game officially begins.
Only 15 minutes. Set the timer. 1, 5, 0. Perfect. Just in time for my friends.
Hello? Oh, hi! Yes, I am just waiting for the pizza to bake. Let's chat for a while because I am totally free right now.
That is so funny. Tell me more about what happened at school today. I am listening very carefully. Go on. Wow, really? I cannot believe you did that. That sounds like so much fun. I wish I was there with you too.
Oh my goodness, stop it! That is absolutely hilarious. I am laughing so hard that my stomach is starting to hurt now. Hear that loud sound? That is the fire alarm warning us. We must always pay attention to the alarm for our safety.
Oh no, look at the room. It is filling up with thick gray smoke. When things get hot, they can start to burn very quickly.
Oh no. The smoke is pouring right out of the oven door. I forgot about the pizza because I was talking on the phone. Cough. Oh goodness, what is happening here? The whole kitchen is full of smoke and I cannot see anything at all. Carefully sliding the tray out. Oh wow, look at all this dark smoke blowing right into my face. This is a complete disaster. My beautiful pizza is entirely burnt to charcoal. My clothes are dirty, and now I have absolutely nothing to feed my hungry friends. That's right, I need my thick, colorful oven mitts. These protective gloves will keep my hands perfectly safe from the intense heat. Look at this mess. The delicious pepperoni slices are completely curled up, jet black, and totally ruined by the high heat.
Oh, wait a minute. What time is it anyway? I think my friends are supposed to arrive very, very soon for the party. Let's open the glass window wide to let the fresh air roll inside. We must always be very careful when cooking in the kitchen. Even though we made a mistake, we successfully learned how to make the perfect dough base. Practice makes perfect, everyone.
And fourth, we checked the glass jar filled with rich, sweet, and red tomato sauce. That's right, it is a sauce.
Second, we pointed to the clear glass water jug filled with fresh, sparkling water. Remember this word? Let's review our vocabulary words today. First, we learned about the fine, white, and soft flour used.
Oh, listen! That must be the doorbell ringing right now. My friends are finally here for the big pizza party celebration.
Look at my sweet friends Lily and Leo standing outside. They are smiling so bright, and look what Leo is holding in his hands. Welcome to my house, guys! Oh my goodness, you brought a giant delivery pizza box with you. You totally saved the day.
This is absolutely incredible. Eating warm pizza with my favorite friends is the best feeling in the whole wide world.
Wow, look at that long, gooey string of melted mozzarella cheese stretching beautifully from the slice. It looks so delicious.
There is plenty of pizza for everyone, so let's keep chewing joyfully and enjoy this beautiful party together, guys. I am so happy that you came today. This turned out to be the most wonderful and unforgettable pizza party ever.
I promise to never, ever get distracted by my smartphone again while cooking. Safety always comes first in the kitchen, friends. Remember the lesson. Always look after your oven and stay careful so your fresh pizza never turns into a smoky black disaster.